You can approach a girl that you do not know using your subconscious mind. But you must know that your subconscious mind extends as your personal reality. So, if you impress an idea in your subconscious mind where you are approaching the girl that you like, or the girl that you like is approaching you, then this idea will get externalized into your visible world. However, you must know how to impress this idea through the means of your feelings. Because you have to remember, feeling is the secret of attracting the event that you want in your life. Neville Goddard said this, feeling is the secret. And I understood this spiritual principle during COVID lockdown. When I was 19, I had my first intimate relationship with a girl. At that time, I was into game, I was into pickup. I thought this game, these outer game tactics, pickup tactics, got me my girlfriend. But during COVID lockdown, I started to suffer from anxiety and panic attacks. I broke up with my girlfriend, and that's when I was forced to turn inwards. I started to meditate. However, meditation taught me one thing, and that is outer game and pickup techniques never really worked. It was my vivid imagination and emotions that I had while reading a book called Sex God Method that actually created this intimate relationship in my visible world. So do not ever forget that your emotions and your vivid imagination is the only true power that you hold. When you understand this, you can completely disregard all the pickup gurus, all the dating coaches, all the psychology teachers that teach you all these weird, creepy pickup techniques. They do not understand how your visible world is created through your own mind. So, in this video, you are going to learn how to use your subconscious mind, how to use your imagination, your feelings in order to approach a girl that you do not know. When you use your subconscious mind, it is going to be so effortless because your subconscious mind, whenever it takes a particular imagination and feelings, it is going to bend everybody's free will. You will naturally be compelled to walk towards her, to utter the right kinds of words, to exhibit the right kinds of body language, or she will lose free will and she will be compelled to come towards you, to notice you, to compliment you, and to want to be with you. And you're not doing anything, neither is she doing anything. It's all your subconscious mind because you have programmed it correctly through a wise use of imagination and feeling. So, the first step of using your subconscious mind in order to approach a girl that you do not know is getting into a relaxed attitude of mind, and that is done through Yoga Nidra. Yoga Nidra, or non sleep deep rest protocol, is a process where you guide your attention through your body parts one by one until you achieve a state of relaxation. This is when your breathing rate slows down. When your breathing rate slows down, your brain waves slow down as well. When your brain waves slow down, you'll be able to think in pictures. You'll be able to vividly imagine certain scenarios effortlessly. So after you do Yoga Nidra, what you're going to do is you create an imaginal act in your own mind where you are already approaching the girl that you like. Imagine that you're looking at a girl and she's absolutely beautiful, and you're walking up to her and you're super confident. And as soon as she looks at you, her pupils get dilated because she is super attracted to you. And then you are holding her in your arms and she is complimenting you. Wow, I'm so lucky to meet a guy like you. When you provide all the sensory vividness to this imaginal act, then your brain starts to believe that it is actually happening to you in real time. So do not forget that whenever you imagine a certain act, you must imagine that your desire has already been fulfilled. Your desire right now is to approach a girl and to get that girl. So start imagining that you have already gotten the girl. Start imagining that the girl already likes you, that the girl is already touching you, already kissing you. You're already smelling her perfume. When you do this, then your brain starts to create neural networks that reflect like all these wonderful things have already happened to you. Now, in order to generate feelings, in order to impress this imaginal act in your subconscious mind, you have to generate emotions out of your imaginal act. And that is possible through mental rehearsal of this imaginal act. So you must be able to hold your attention on this imagination and mentally rehearse it over and over again until you start to feel the feelings of joy or gratitude or thrill or satisfaction or victory. Because when you combine this imagination with elevated emotions of joy or gratitude or empowerment or thrill, then this becomes a program. Imagination plus feeling is a program that is and ready to go and impregnate your subconscious mind. Now, your subconscious mind is helpless. It must take this program and it must externalize into your visible world. Your subconscious mind, in its infinite wisdom and in its infinite intelligence, is going to bend physical reality until whatever you have imagined actually happens to you. You will be moving into one event after another, and suddenly everything that you have visualized will happen effortlessly. You will be compelled to do that. Girls will be compelled to come towards you and to fall in love with you. So, this is how you use your subconscious mind to approach a girl that you do not know. Stop exerting so much effort in order to approach a girl. Just use your subconscious mind. Just program your subconscious mind correctly. Just do this exercise every night before falling asleep for at least 30 days because you have to train your imagination, train your attention faculty, train the capacity of your body to hold positive feelings. And once it is trained, the program lands on the subconscious mind, and then you lose free will. You will be compelled to do the right action. The girl lose free will. She will be compelled to come towards you and to fall in love with you. But a normal human being cannot visualize vividly. He cannot provide all the sensory tones, the things that he can see or hear or smell or touch or feel. He cannot feel the elevated feelings because he has practiced feeling bored or unworthy or negative emotions for the majority portion of his life. He cannot hold attention on the desired imagination because attention has a very monkey like nature. It will either go to a past traumatic event or it starts to jump to another future worst case scenario where you're approaching and she's rejecting you, or it starts to jump to another irrelevant scene. But if you train the faculties of your mind and your body, then your subconscious mind gets programmed with this idea, with this imagination, and then it must externalize into your visible world. This is a law. This is why yogis call our visible reality as Maya. Maya means illusion or just a magical lie. Your visible world is a magical lie because it is completely controlled by your own imagination, by your own feelings, by the content of your own mind. So take care of your imagination and your feelings, and you will be able to approach any girl that you want, and you will be able to get her into liking you or loving you. Now, if you want one personalized coaching from me, where I will help you develop a strong sense of imagination, attention, and capacity to hold positive feelings, so that you can completely disregard all these outer game techniques and pick up gurus and dating coaches, then message me on my Gmail or my WhatsApp, which are linked in the description box down below and the pinned comment section down below as well. Subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.